name is Bhumika. My entry is NDA entry and I belong to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. In the scene, I perceived that there was a group of students who had gathered at a place for an awareness campaign, and there was a boy who was distributing the pamphlets for the information regarding the same. And by doing this, they also reflected upon their school's responsible nature for helping others. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I am Soumya and I belongs to Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, and I am here from NDA entry. According to my perception of the story, there are several people in the story. There are about 12 to 15 people and their age group is between 12 to 13 years and they all are school going kids. So my leading character is Seema. She was also returning back to her home with all her friends and they were sharing their experience that how their day was has gone today. And as they were going, they saw a big stone in the way, due to which people was facing problem for passing here and there. So she asked for help from her friend Rajesh and Raj to help her out in removing that stone from the way so that the people can easily walk out. So the three of them go and were trying to remove the stone. After it, I was not able to mention in my story, but my story goes like the three of them were trying to remove the stone, and after watching her, so the other girls also joined them, and they collectively removed the stone and they went to their homes. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Aditi Pandey and I am from NDA entry and I belong to Gorakhpur. From the picture, I perceive 9 to 10 characters and the main hero of my story is Savita. She is a 18-year-old girl who is very much interested in studies. She is very much interested in knowing about new things. But she observes that in her school, the number of girl students are very less as compared to other students. And after discussing it with friends and family, she found out that the main reason behind it was lack of awareness. So, on the occasion of Children's Day, that is 14th November, with the help of her friends, she decided to do an awareness program in which she performed Nukkad Nataks and also informed the parents about how education is important for a girl child and how it can help in developing one's personality. And the effort was successful and she successfully increased the number of girl students in her school. Thank you for listening.
Okay. Next.
Hello friends, my name is Anshika Verma. I am from NDA entry and I belong from Uttar Pradesh district Hathras. From the picture shown to us, I perceived 15 to 18 characters, all belonging to the age of 15 to 19. The main character of my story is Avantika, who is 17 years old and is head of the high school wing of her school. In her school, she has been given the task to organize a small essay writing competition, as she is given by the vice principal. She writes the name of all the participants and then divides them into subcategory and then submit their names. On the D-Day, finally all the students are collected into the assembly hall of the school. One by one, they all recite their essays and then on the topic nationalist in India, and then finally she submits all the forms to the vice principal of the school, and then in the end concludes the essay writing competition by announcing the names. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived a group of characters, mainly girls, between the age of 15 to 18 years. They all are in positive mood. The main character of my story is Ananya. She is of 16 years. She is also in positive mood. Ananya is a school-going girl. She studies in a government school on the periphery of Delhi. She was worried about why her female friends were irregular in school. When she talked to one of her friend, she got to know that they were irregular due to their menstrual cycles because the proper facilities were not provided in the school and they were not comfortable in the school during those days. So she talked to one of her teacher and they both decided to start to organize a awareness campaign to teach that those girls so that they can attend the school regularly.
Hello friends, my name is Anuradha Yadav and I'm for NDA entry and I belong to Lucknow. My story goes like this. From the picture, I've perceived that there is a group of 15 to 20 girls, and the protagonist of my story is a girl named Sheetal, and she is about 16 years, and her mood is positive. Action of my story is Environment Day in school. Sheetal is a 16-year-old girl and she is the head of the cultural department, and she went to her principal, asked for the permission to participate in the skit performance and the rally, and later she with the help of her of the other batchmates and batch holders, she selected the volunteer students for the rally and the skit, and later she gathered ideas from the various videos she watched on the internet, and also she searched for the ideas, compiled them all, and later she discussed it all with the teammates, and then finalized it. And on the 5th June, that is in Environment Day, they all participated very well, and after this they collected the students for the rally and went out for the rally, and she also before this she also prepared the slogans with the help of teachers. Then after that she went for the rally, interviewed people, told the use of the trees, and also later after all this they came back and focused on the studies and scored well in the examination. Thank you for listening the story.
Hello friends, my name is Pooja from NDA entry and I belong to Haridwar, Uttarakhand. From the picture shown to us, I perceive 15 to 20 characters of age around 18 to 20 years and all are in positive mood. The main protagonist of my story is Seema, of age around 18 to 20 years and in a positive mood. She is a student of BSc, pursuing BSc in a college. And one day, while going to the college, she noticed some poor children on the road, and they were seeing them, and some of the children asking them for books. So at that moment, she cannot do anything for them. But when she went to college, she described the whole incident to her friends. Then they all together made a plan. Firstly, they select a place near their college and collected all the stuffs and materials so that the place can be modified into a classroom, into a healthy classroom. And then they started collecting books from their colleges and all the children who have passed primary level education, and collected all the books and stationery items for them. And also they made posters, bring a big blackboard for them. Then Seema went to the poor children and bring those children along with them. And the next evening they started teaching them, and all the children very much excited and played very well.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Parinati Gaur. I'm appearing for SSCW Tech 33 course and I'm a resident of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. My story comprises of 10 to 15 characters which are female and 3 to 4 males, all belonging to the age bracket of 19 to 21 years. My main character is named Rekha, who is a 20-year-old girl pursuing her BTech from Computer Science from Vellore Institute of Technology, Tamil Nadu, and she is currently in her second year. She is also the female cultural head of her college, and she had been called by the dean to inform her about the upcoming technical fest which is being held in the college. Now, like every year, donations were to be made to the slum. So, although all the prerequisites were being taken care of by the school management or the college management, but the dean wanted 2 in-house stalls to be assembled by the students, one from girls and one from boys. So as the lead, she asked all of the interested girls to allocate in front of the girls' hostel. As I could perceive from the picture, some of the boys were passing by who can be seen as well. She pursued her 11th and 12th with an optional subject of entrepreneurship, due to which she gathered the idea of starting a snack food stall, which was a huge blast, and they were able to generate a lot of revenue for all of that. And later on, all of the money was donated to the slums which are residing in the nearby area. Thank you.
Myself Tejasvi Shirsagar and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. and I am from NDA entry. According to my perception, I perceive the girls or boys and all students are starting the preparation of the examination for the first semester exam. There is a Rampur village, and in this village there is only one school, and so they are there are the students and they are starting for their preparation for first semester examination. So they starting their examination. If the examination start, they didn't do any work, they didn't do study. So they do group studying and do all the work. Sorry.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhartha and I am here for NDA entry and I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. I have perceived a group of people from the picture and main character of my story is Raju and action of my story is awareness about girl child education. Raju has studied up to 10th class in a school which is located in his village, and after that for intermediate study he has to go out of his village and stay in a hostel. And after 2 years, after completing his intermediate, then he came to his village. After coming from the college, he get to know that the number of girl child in the school is very less. So he thought that he should give a awareness to the parents, and he has to conduct awareness program in the school. So he gathered his friends and he discussed with them to conduct a awareness program. So they made all the arrangements in the school and they discussed a lot of points regarding the girl child education, and also they discussed about the achievements of various women in different fields, and they were able to increase the number of girl child in the school. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself Adarsh Kumar Singh and my entry is through CDS 2nd and I belong to Lucknow itself. According to me, I have perceived through pictures that there is a culture program in a college which is comprises of 20 to 25 members, including one head of an instructor of the organization, and the organization is mainly based on creating awareness about planting the trees and in a correct manner, and the instructing the members that initial stage of a growing of a plants need care, and we should keep mind in that we should keep watering plants in a timely manners and effective manner in an effective way, and keeping amount of manures, and we have to keep distancing between the plants, because growing air pollution, we need to afforestation of trees, and this is a requirement of the basic. Recently air pollution and environmental crisis are the need of the hour. Thank you.
Hi friends, myself Akshay and my entry is FCAT. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So my story comprises of a protagonist named Rakesh, which is a school teacher. His mood is positive. So he was very concerned because of the environmental conditions nowadays. So he decided to organize a plantation drive on the World Environment Day. He also requested his sister to come and guide the students. He and his sister instructed the students and planned to plant around 50 to 100 trees. They have successfully completed the missions, and also he told the students. So he also told us. So he also can contribute in making up the damages made by the humans. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Sheikh Mohiddin Jisti. I am from Andhra Pradesh. My entry is from SSC Tech. According to my point of view, I have saw nearly 8 girls, and they are from same group age, means 16 to 18, and the story is about they are living in a village. They all are cousins, and they are trying to. There is a festival happening in the village. From past 2 days, they are observing all the villagers and trying to point out the difference, means trying to point out whether the village is well good or not. And after completing the 2 days, they have in the final day they tried to they all gathered in a single place and tried to develop their village. And while developing, from after the means before while developing, they received a certificate, means they received a achievement urban development from the central, means from the state CM. And after that they have continued the development from the different villages, and they have further received a lot of awards. Thank you.
Jai Hind friends, I am Akshay Jain from district Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I am here for FCAT entry. According to my perception, in this my story, I perceive 10 to 12 female candidates. In this story, these all the female candidates are approx 16 to 18 age groups. In this, they all are in the cheerful and excited mood. According to this, I idea like they all get placement in the campus, and these all are excited because these all have the campus placement tour, and that's why. Thank you, sir.
Hello friends, my name is Prashant. I am from Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh, and I am here for FCAT entry. In my story, there are 9 to 10 female characters. The main character of my story is Mansi, which is 21 years old, and she went for a picnic for Goa with his classmates from his college. After reaching to the picnic point, a girl from the group has lost his wallet. When Mansi knew about this.
Next. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yuvraj and I'm from AppCat Entry. I'm living in Lucknow itself. So, what I perceived in the story is, first of all, the theme. The theme is organizing a debate competition. What I observed is, actually there were numerous people there, but predominantly we can see that there were a boy and a girl. The protagonist of my story is a girl named Radhika. Her being in 11th standard, she was very optimistic and she was very good in multitasking as well. So that's why her teachers asked herself to volunteer for debate competition because of her management skills. And later on, she made a roadmap and delegated her work with everyone. And also when she was on the host, when she was working as a host, then there was a dispute between a guy because it was a debate competition and everybody wants to win. So she genuinely calms everybody down, and then she actually made that event go very well, and everything went well, and looking at the successful event, she was happy herself. Thank you so much for listening to my story.
Hi friends, my name is Ankush. I am from FCAT entry. I belong to Panipat in Haryana. From the picture, I perceive that there are 10 to 12 girls, age group between 18 to 19. They are all in positive mood. There was a scholarship test going on for the financially weak students for college admission. In the girls' school, many girls given the scholarship test for securing their seat in college. After 2 weeks, the results of the scholarship test are shown on the school board, and after checking the result.
Next.
Hello friends, my name is Yogesh Yadav. I am from Lucknow. I am here from FCAT entry. As per my perception, the story is about there is a group of 7 to 8 girls, age between 14 to 18. They all are in positive mood. The theme of my story is organizing a play in village on occasion of Dasara. The lead role of my story is Pooja, which is 19-year-old. She is in positive mood. She, along with his friends and colleagues, she decided to organize a play on occasion of Dasara. She discussed and organized all her things and posters, make poster, and she successfully planned and celebrated the Dasara. Thank you.
Okay, pay attention here, wait. Do you know the objective of group discussion? What is that? Okay, to come up with a common group story, and time is very less. Okay, now let's divide this group into two parts, starting from chest number 116 till 300. We'll be having discussion in the first round. Start. Okay, pay attention here. Once again, let's divide this group into two parts from chest number 116 to 242. We'll be having discussion in the first round. Start. Nominate anyone.
I think Aditi should stay. So, thank you for giving me.
Don't say name, please call chest number, okay? Who said Aditi? Please say chest number. Don't break rules. Okay.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So, as discussed by the group, in the picture we perceive 15 to 20 characters, in which most of them are female, between the age group of 16 to 18 years. And the theme of the story is an awareness program for the girl candidates. Savita is an 18-year-old girl. She belongs to Rampur village, and she is very much interested in studies. But she observes that the number of girl candidates in the school are very less. And after inquiring the reason with her friends and family, she got to know that the main reason was lack of awareness in the villages and the lack of career options that they are not aware about in the villages. So with the help of her friends she decided to do an awareness campaign on the occasion of Children's Day, that is 14th of November. She distributed pamphlets in the village, and there is a group that they performed Nukkad Natak, which attracted the villagers, and they informed about various professions, about how as to if one studies can go for, and also in the end they were successful in doing so and increased the number of candidates, girl candidates in the school. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So, any disagreement? No, sir. All are into agreement with this as a common group story? Yes, sir. Okay.
क्या आप एनडीए रिटन एग्जाम के बाद एसएसबी इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं? क्या आप रिकमेंडेशन को लेकर आर्म्ड फोर्सेज में ऑफिसर बनने के सपने को पूरा करना चाहते हैं? तो आज ही ज्वाइन करिए सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी, जहां आपको एक्स जीटीओ ऑफिसर और एक्स इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर्स देने वाले हैं बेस्ट गाइडेंस। यहां मिलेगा आपको इंडिया के लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड का एक्सपोजर, साथ ही मिलेगा आपको जीटीओ की बेहतरीन मेंटरशिप और साइकोलॉजी का बेस्ट गाइडेंस, और इसी के साथ में बेहतर तैयारी के लिए समय समय पर मिले शिशिर सर का बेहतरीन मोटिवेशन। सो तैयार हो जाइए एनडीए के एसएसबी इंटरव्यू में अपने रिकमेंडेशन के लिए। अधिक जानकारी पाने के लिए हमें कॉल करें 9795977776 पर।